Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rob. Welcome to the E-mini Trader Talk. Now, this is a supplement video. It is not part of our Trader Talk. It is actually something that is going on that I'm finding that I wanted to get out to you. It could be a trade. It could be a setup. It could be, an educational component. Something as a bonus that I wanted to shoot off to you guys. And I wanted to record a disclaimer so it's done and I could just merge it together with the file. And as I'm recording a trade as an example, I don't have to stop and do a 30-second disclaimer, get slides open and everything else, and miss out on the trade possibly for teaching it to you. So let me go ahead and take care of the disclaimer. Basically, it says I am not an advisor. I cannot legally tell you to buy or sell a stock. It is against the law. The SEC, which the Securities and Exchange Commission, requires you to be licensed. I am not, and I do not want to be. So if you find a candidate, indicator, set up something, anything that you like here today, my suggestion is you paper trade it first before ever putting 1 penny of real money into the trade, setup, or indicator, and then and only then would you do so if it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. Now keep something in mind. Because I am not an advisor, that means I am not under trading restrictions. That means that I may choose to enter or exit a trade at any given time without prior notice. Now keep in mind that each and every one of these trade setups that we might discuss here are all non-funded trades. In other words, they are meant to be for educational purposes only. All right, perfect. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rob. Guys, I wanted to jump in real quick and take a real quick look at the YM. Well, right now we're looking at about a 5 to a 7 point bid-ask spread on the YM. And what's happening here, what's taking place, is we're getting ready for the Fed to make their decision in just about 2 minutes. And I'm going to maximize the chart just for a moment so we can get a view of what's actually happened so far today. Actually, I don't want to stretch it that much. So you can see we've had some good moves. It's been a choppy day, up and down, up and down. We got some legs around 11 o'clock or so this morning. It started to take off. It keeps breaching the moving averages, but it is working its way around. And as I said, with that huge bid-ask spread we're seeing once in a while, it's been a difficult market to trade. Look at that, 5-6 points on the spread. It's been a difficult market to trade through the day outside of a scalper's market. It's not been one that I have taken a whole lot of advantage of today, but I have taken some. So we're waiting for the Fed. It's 1:59 right now. If you hear talking in the background, that's CNBC. I'm waiting to see what's happening. I want to see the reaction on CNBC as well. I want to hear what it is. They're talking bonds right now. Here we go. Unchanged on the rates. So the market is taking off. Look at the bid-ask spread, guys. Holy mackerel. Unbelievable. So I just put an order in. I bought 2 contracts. That's just because that's the order I had set up in there. Right? Let's bring this up here. Right now we're up $120 on that announcement. I had my back turned to it, guys, when this was all going on. So I couldn't really see it. Now, I don't trust that it's going to stay here. So we're going to close this whole thing out right now. Look at that. We closed it out with a $20 profit. Did you see that? And that is because how big that bid-ask spread is. Yeah, we had the profit locked in, but look at the huge bid-ask spread. Now, we've pulled back. Not unheard of, right? Look at the candle. Look at how far this thing has moved. I mean, look at this. Massive. Massive wick. Where is that? All the way up to 780, and right now we're at 701. Massive. You're getting out with a market order. I did it just as an example to show you what was going on right as the Fed announced. We're pulling back, which may be a position of we've already made the run. Look at this. Just as bad to the downside. Yet we still have this vicious move going on in here. We're talking 201. It hasn't been a long time, and look what's happening. So I don't know. I didn't hear Fed Lancer dissents calls for a 1/4 point hike. He disagreed with it. I did not hear what the expectation was or the forward-looking statement was. 4 FOMC members now see hike after 2015. All right, and just the wicks are all over the place, guys. The bid-ask spread made it extremely difficult. Again, we just grabbed 2. I surely wasn't doing 10. We just grabbed 2 to see what in the world was happening here. But huge volume, just massive, massive volume took off in there, right? So there you have it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video now, stop the video. We're back up again, not quite to where we were, but we are definitely moving higher, right? So good tutorial, good example. Have a great day, folks. God bless, and I'll see you at the next update. Take care.